So in this clip, I'm going to show you how to attach a zipper to your front pocket. I just learned this really cool zipper technique, and it's called the exposed zipper. And basically what it is, instead of sewing a zipper behind the fabric, you're actually sewing it on top of the fabric. And it gives a really cool decorative detail, and then it's also super easy. So the first thing you want to do is to pin your zipper to your fabric. You just want to pin your zipper to your fabric about 1 inch of the way down. And you do want to make sure that your zipper head is in the stitching line. And this is where it comes in handy to use a larger zipper than your fabric. And what we're going to be doing is stitching all the way around the zipper. Then you take it to your machine and you're going to be putting on your zipper foot. And you could also sew this with a regular zigzag foot because this is a different technique. And you're just going to go ahead and stitch. And you're going to go all the way around, and then you're actually going to do that a second time. You're going to be sewing the exact same thing, and it's just going to give your zipper a little bit more security. And just try to line up your stitches as best as possible.